What's up guys, this is Mark and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to play BTS Permission to Dance, and I'll be using my acoustic guitar today. So let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your capo and you're gonna put it on the 4th fret. And I'm gonna make this lesson very simple for beginners. So if you're a beginner, this lesson is for you, okay? So let's go through the chords first. So it starts off with C and goes to a G/B. You can play a G chord here, it's fine. Then it goes to A minor, goes to a G, goes to an F. I play F like this, but you can play it like that, you can play it like that. After that it goes to an E minor, goes to an F, goes to a G. So those are the chords for the verse. So how the strumming pattern goes is like this. Okay, so let me just break it down for you. Basically, the strumming pattern is just 1, 2. 2, I do a right hand muted strum. So basically what it is my right hand is muting the strings and striking the strings at the same time. It's nothing on my left hand. There's nothing to do with my left hand, alright? So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and oh, sorry, my bad. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and so at the last bar, when it goes from F to G, it's like this. It goes F, 1, 2. Then on the end of 2, you're gonna play a G and you're gonna do an up strum. 2 and 3 and 4 and then after that it repeats again. So this is how the verse would sound. Okay, pretty simple chords. Now let's move on to the pre-chorus. So with the pre-chorus, it starts off with an A minor. Then it goes to an E/G sharp. So basically the shape is like this. Very nice. Then it goes to an F chord. Goes to a G chord. Okay, so the strumming pattern for this part is you can just play on beat 1. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it repeats again, so you play another time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right before it goes to the chorus, you're gonna play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like a build up to the chorus. So you're just gonna strike the G chord on beats 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can make it gradually go louder, like a build up. And now let's head right into the chorus. So for the chorus, the chords are exactly the same as the verse, but the chorus is so upbeat, it's so lively, it's so catchy. So your strumming pattern is gonna be slightly different. So this is how you're gonna play the chorus. You're gonna take away the right hand muted strum, and you're gonna play the strumming pattern like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay? So after you play that twice, it goes to a part where it's like a breakdown. It's still the chorus, but then it's like slower. And it goes like this. It's actually the same chords as the pre-chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that chill part in the chorus, then it goes to the part da-dun, 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 da-dun. So basically that's the same chords as the verse and the chorus. But there's a catch. The last bar where it's supposed to go from F to G is actually D minor to G, alright? So it goes like this. And you can just play the same strumming pattern as the verse. 1. Go to D minor. And there you have it, like 90% of the song. So basically we just managed to do the verse, the pre-chorus and chorus. Then it repeats again, verse, pre-chorus and chorus. And then now they have the interlude part which goes like na 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 na, right? So you can just play the same strumming pattern as the chorus, but you're gonna use the chords from the last part of the chorus. So you know the D minor G part? You're gonna use that. So if I were to play that, it goes like this. D minor. Okay? So for the interlude part that I just taught, you gotta play that twice too. And that's the interlude. And basically, you've just learned BTS Permission to Dance. But you gotta play in the right order. So it goes from verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, goes to verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, goes to the interlude, then it goes to the pre-chorus, goes to the chorus, and ends with interlude. And there you have it. That's BTS Permission to Dance. So if you guys enjoyed this lesson, and I hope it was informative enough for you guys, feel free to like this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be posting more guitar lesson videos. So thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care guys, bye.